So, ito prices. Okay, prices of hearing aid in comparison with average salaries ng mga empleyado dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. Yung average salaries is kinuha ko sa payscale.com. So, lumalabas na ang mga high salaries dito sa Bacoor, Cavite is customer service representative o yung nasa BPO, yung account manager, yung HR assistant, and then yung elementary school teacher. So, yung makaka-afford ng hearing aid na worth 40 to 80,000, kasi ang ranges ng hearing aid is 40 to 250,000. So, yung makaka-avail lang ng usual hearing aid, yung medium to complicated hearing aid which ranges from 40 to 80,000, at least yung isang tenga is yung may salary na ng customer service representative na 210,000 at yung HR, yung account manager na may salary ng 348,000. Both years pala, yung dalawang tenga, ganun yung salary. And then yung elementary school teacher, ang average salary nun is 135,000. So, makakaya niya yung at least isang tenga. Lumalabas din doon na yung guaranteed letter sa Department of Social Welfare and Development would napakaliit lang ng percentage na nakukupo nun sa total cost. Kasi sa experience namin, ang guaranteed letter is 15K, 20K, and 25K. So, pag 15K siya, say for instance, example natin, ang hearing aid is 80,000. Let's maximize that to 80,000. Kung 80,000, kung 15K nakuha mo, 18.75%. Kung 15K ang nakuha mong guaranteed letter. So, saan mo kukunin yung share of cost nun, yung remaining nun? So, maghahanap ka pa dapat. Kung ang GL mo naman is 25K, pero 80,000 yung hearing aid mo, ang percentage nun is 31.25%. So, yung remaining, saan mo kukunin yun? At syempre, kung 20K yung GL mo, which is yung common 20K, pag 20K ang GL mo, that is only 20% of the total cost. So, saan mo kukunin yun? Kung both ears yun, saan mo kukunin yung pampuno dun sa 80,000? Kasi, okay, fine, papayag yung hearing aid center, meron ka ng isa at least, pero yung isa, saan mo kukunin? So, lumalabas na meron akong tinignang website, may part 2 pa tong video na to, may tinignan akong website na kung saan yung kanilang hearing aid is affordable sa budget ng ating minimum wage earner. At kung mangungutang man sila na kasama nating mga Pilipino na dumidiskarte, umuutang o naghahanap ng iba pang work para kumita, ito yung mga hearing aid na affordable nila. So, part 2 na yun. Part 2 na yung kanilang, part 2 na itong video na to. But definitely, ito yung ginagawa nating analysis sa hearing aid price at saka dun sa salary. At saka kung ano lang yung coverage ng guaranteed letter from the SWD. So, yun lang pa.